make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Udah tercampur semua. Ini kita siapkan loyang turban. Ini ukuran 20 cm. Ini jangan lupa kalian alasin margarin dengan tepung terigu. Dengan panasnya api 150 derajat Celcius ya. Ini kita panggang lebih kurang 25 menit. Oke, kita lihat. Ini udah mateng. Udah kering permukaan atasnya, ini udah bisa kita angkat ya. Sekarang kita akan keluarkan. Nih, hasilnya cukup tinggi. Nah, sekarang saya akan lihat hasilnya. Kita akan potong. Lembut nih. Seperti kapas lembutnya. Nih. Enak. Nah, inilah bolu dengan 3 butir telur. Selamat mencoba dan semoga berhasil. Bye.